Need a reliable BAS engineering partner for your next building automation project? From project estimation to engineering documentation, we help you plan your BAS projects with accuracy and confidence. Our team develops detailed control drawings and panel designs that are clear, practical, and ready for implementation. We also support controller programming and intuitive BMS graphics, designed for effective monitoring and control. From engineering to commissioning, we help ensure your systems are tested, verified, and ready for reliable operation. Get complete BAS engineering support from one experienced partner, from concept to commissioning.
Have a BAS project coming up? Partner with Uriel Enterprises for dependable engineering support. Partner with us today.